Hello everybody, Corey here. We're going to go over ULTY trades and holdings for June 11th. Just a reminder, I'm not a qualified licensed investment or financial advisor. All I do is gather the data and give it to you. YieldMax ETFs are extremely risky. Please make sure you understand the risk involved and you've read through all of these on the website and done your appropriate research before investing in these funds, please. Let's do the daily roundup here. Let's see. Barely. Hold on, is that the right date? It is the right date. Okay. I forgot to remove the two that they closed out. So let's delete and delete. And then I'll just have to remember to do it on the main one. All right. So outstanding shares did change. Oh, wow. So they went up 625,000. So let's just go over here. So that went up quite a bit. I can't remember what this was yesterday. I guess what I could do is look here. So it was 72-cent premium yesterday. We're down to 69-cent right now with the additional 625,000 shares added here. It looks like the stock price went up today, but it was over here. Let's see. Yeah, so we went up 10 cents on the stock price. The outstanding shares went up. We have, so it's Tuesday, so the declaration is Thursday. So we have one trading day left. We've completed 20, and there's 21 total. So again, all we can do at this point, is just look at what we've done here. Again, I did 98% just because that was the last month and it was the lowest, and I don't see us paying out a high amount. I wouldn't expect it. Short call premium received so far per share, 69 cents. We don't know how the outstanding shares are going to be tomorrow. But the premium's only, about half of what it has been. So I don't know if they'll do a reduction or they'll still try to pay over $1 in hopes that they do better next month. I'm not sure what they'll do here, but you would expect, with the, dollar something in the previous months that it would be $1 something again this month. But we will see. Again, one trading day left, and then the declaration, and then the ex-dividend date. All right, so you can see here, and I've sorted these already by the rank of the IV. So it looks like we have the Therapeutics and Novavax at the top, and Iris Energy. And at the bottom down there, we have ARM at the lowest at 57%. Then we have several there in the 60%. But let's see. So yeah, we went up 10 cents, which was 0.68 cents for ULTY, and then the S&P was up 0.27 cents. If we look at our prices for our underlying, wow. So Zim shipping dropped 14% today. But from what I recall, well, we were red. I remember it tanked, I think, off the beginning. We were red, and then we went up during the day, and then we might have come back down. I don't remember in the afternoon. And then, so then we had Mobileye down 7%, Carvana down 4%. But then we look at the bottom, and I didn't look at the earnings for this week to see who had earnings. So some of these may have had earnings here for the week. But anyway, we have Iris Energy up 20%, which is only $2, but still 20%. And then we have Space Mobile there, up 16%, and ENVX up 9%. As far as trades go, the only trades we had was for coin. So you can see here the short call premium we received for that. Why doesn't the stock show up on here? I'm not sure why it did not, but we also had, because, if we buy the short call, we have to buy the shares to go with it. So that was done as well. I'm not sure why it didn't pull. Let's see if it's pulling on this one. Oh. Well, it's not after midnight. I don't know why it's not pulling on that one. But yeah, I don't know why it did not show here. So I apologize for that. I didn't check it. Then we can see on the right hand side our net assets and stuff. Yesterday, most of these we were looking at about 71 cents a share, about 7.1 million on average. It looks like with the exception of coin there. Yesterday we had about 7.1 million on average. It looks like we're a little bit above that, maybe. I don't know. We have those that went down so much, that might have outweighed the ones that went up. I didn't go too depth into that. So we'll come over here and we can see coin there that we had just talked about with the 186 contracts and 16,800 shares. I'm not sure why they didn't get into coin. I don't know. Maybe they were waiting to get back in, so they had like a day break or something there. And I don't think I took them off the sheet and added them back either, so it still would have the other date on there from when it was last added. I'm looking at the top. So we pretty much went over all the data at the top. So really the only thing left here to go over would be just looking at the strike prices and seeing how close we are to the stock. Look at the strike prices, see how close we are to the stock prices. Stop it. My cats are growling at each other. You might hear a cat fight. But anyway, so let's just quickly go through these if you want to see them. We have ARM here with the 155 strike. We're under that 7%. We have Space Mobile. Let me make sure because some of these new ones I might forget. Space Mobile and Iris Energy. Okay, I just wanted to make sure those. And Mobile Eye was our other new one. But yeah, Space Mobile 950. We're actually over that 4% because that stock rose 16% today. So it's over 37 cents there. And then we have Clean Spark here, $17 strike price. We're underneath that 6%. Coin 250 strike. We're under that 2%. Carvana 118 strike. We're under that 12%. Then we have ENVX. That stock rose 9% today, so we're over that strike price by 3% or 36 cents. Then we have the Giga Cloud short call that expires next week with a $35 strike, which are under 6%. Hims and Hers, $23 strike, under 4%. Robinhood, $25 strike, under 7%. Then we have Iris Energy here, our new one. It had $11 strike. The stock rose 20% today to $12.35. So now we are over that strike price by $1.35. Then we have Mara here, $21.50 strike price. We're underneath that 8%. Mobile Eye, which expires next week. They dropped 7% today. I heard them talking about them today, but I don't know what they were saying. I don't know if they had earnings or what. But they dropped 7%, so now they're 16% under the strike price, $36 strike price there. So they're at $30.11. And then we have MicroStrategy here. Bitcoin was going, it went down today. So this one went down to... went down 3%. So the strike price here is $17.75. So it's pretty high. We're underneath that 12%. So we'll probably be good for this week unless something extraordinary happens. Then we have Novavax here, $17.50 strike price. We're underneath that 4%. Reddit, $64 strike price, under that 4%. Sunrun, $15 strike price. We're under 3%. SMCI, $835 strike price, and we're under that 8%. Then we have the therapeutics company here, 130 strike with being under 7%. Upstart, $25.50, under 5%. And then Zim Shipping, remember it went down 14% today to $17.65, and the strike price is $22, so we're underneath that 20%. So anyway, just wanted to give y'all a quick update. And then, yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks, y'all.